Hello, this is Yudit, and I'm here to tell you that one of you among who follow me in Instagram have shared an article or a testimony with me, and the author want to share this article with all of you. So I'm here to tell you that if any one of you having struggle or problem with your life, with your career, with jobs, with your family, and many other things, I really want you to go to the link in my bio and read the article. This article might not help you totally, but it will provide you an insight and a sense of relief, so that you know that many of us have problem, and what difference among us is there are some people like this who stand and write so that it can benefit you among who read this article or this testimony. And after you have read, I really want you to share your feedback so that I can provide to the author so that they can improve their work. And as a sense of admire their courage and their contribution to us, I really want you to share this video so that many of us will read about this and at least know that in life we face problem. But what difference is that we need someone there for us who will be able to understand us in so that we can go on with this journey and achieve the life or the goal in our life. I really thanks all of you who see this video, and I want you to read that article so that whatever the author want, I as the one who share this will benefit all of you, and this will act as a sense of a way to help one another. So I here ended this video, and thanks you all. Have a nice day and have a beautiful life with your family, and may you achieve your goal and your purpose in life. Thank you. May God bless you all.